Right, this is how to use Windows Moviemaker. Whatever you want to do with them, if you want to edit them, you can use Windows Moviemaker. So we'll start off. I'll get my Moviemaker up. Right, there's a Moviemaker screen. Now the first thing you need to do is get your video files. So I'll shrink that down a minute. Go into a folder where I got some video files here, and if you want to join a few video clips up together or just use one clip, it's entirely up to you. I'm going to join a few video clips up together. So first thing is to drag the clips over like so. These are just a few clips we took up in Scotland while we were visiting Scotland. Now there's my clips. They're all individual clips. Moviemaker will join them all together. That's where it starts. It'll join them all up together. Now when you play it, you can either have it as you see on the screen there, as I'm moving this cursor about. Let's make it bigger. No, I'll shrink it back down again, just as easy. As you move the cursor across, you can see it going across. See the video going across as I'm moving. As you go from one to another one, it just jumps straight across. You can change that by adding what they call one of the animations to it. If you go to the start of the second video and you've got a number of patterns you can go through, I'm gonna pick that one there. I've added the animation now, so if I press play by here, you can see it moving across, and watch what happens here now when it goes from the one clip to the next. So it joins your clips. You can do that with every clip if you want to, just by going to the start of the next clip. You can pick another one. You can have all the same. If you want the same on everyone, just click apply all, which is up the top there, or you can pick individual one. You can change them for each video clip. So it's entirely up to you. You can have the same one by applying all, or change individual ones for each join of the clips. That there tells me 1.50 seconds how long the transition is in between the two videos. After you've done your animations for each clip, if you bother, if not, you can just join up the two video clips without all the video clips without the animation. Once you've done that, what I'm going to do is you can go into edit, because the problem I've got is when I'm playing it, you can hear the wind coming over the microphone. So to get rid of the noise, the wind or any other noise that's on the video itself, I say you go into edit, click video volume, take it down to 0. That for that whole clip then, it's taking the video volume down to 0. I'm going to do the same with every clip. Because most of the clips have got wind noise of the wind on my clip, so that gets rid of the wind noise. If you do want some sound on there, you can go into home. You can go home. You can, this symbol here is to add audio. Now you're going to go to the free music archive online and pick music, or you can put music on there yourself. I'm going to add music from my PC. So if I click on add music there, I'm just going to pick, let me have a look. The Bleak Midwinter, because this was taken in autumn. So that's adding my music to the video now. As you can see, it's automatically added it. If you want the video to end the same time as your music, you can cut your video short by going into edit again, getting your line, taking your line to the end of the music, and then split. Now I split that, now I can cut, I can take away that part of the video, or you can add more music to it. It's entirely up to you. Once I've done that, there's other things you can do with your visual effects. You can change it to black and white, and you can do this for each section or the whole of it. It's entirely up to you. There's all other video effects on there you can do. You can change the brightness of the video. I usually don't bother, to be honest. I just like my videos to be as I've taken them. You can emphasize the video, emphasize the music. I usually leave it on emphasize video. If you want to add a title to the start of your movie, click on that button. In Scotland scenery, Scotland scenery, and move it to the center of the screen, or move it to wherever you want. You can have it at the bottom or so forth, and then play, and as you can see, it fades in Scotland scenery for the title of my movie. You can also put a picture in there if you want to, instead of a blank screen. And you can also, you could put one of these in between each video clip, if that's what takes your fancy. I just put one on the front, and you could also have one on the end, which is the credits if you want it on the end. Take a line to the end, add credits, the black box will come up there, then you type in whatever you want at the credits. Techo 59. You can have it whatever size you want. You can make it large, small. Change the size. You can change the type of writing you want, just like anything else. Once that's done, see the credits rolling up from the bottom. Entirely up to you what you want to do there. Once that's done, you can also add writing into your picture as well if you want to. the caption there. You put it in the middle of your video. Scotland, and then change the size on it to, there we go. You do that to each clip if that's what you want. It's entirely up to you. You can also change the duration of it by here. I don't usually bother, I just use put a start on it, I'll put a finish on it, but as I say, if you want to, you can actually put a caption in each photo as you go along. So now I got my video set for the start and captions at the end. I put music on there and I put a caption in one of the videos there. Next thing I want to do is save it. So I go up to right, now my movie's all, I finished doing what I want to do. It's time to save it. Go on File, Save Movie. I normally save it for a computer because then I can put it on YouTube or whatever I want to do with it. You can save it for an Apple iPhone for high definition if you want to do DVDs. It gives you a load of different options. Windows Phone, Apple iPhone, Android phone. It saves you in all different modes for you. I say normally I just save it for a computer. Once you click on there, it'll come up with a folder for where you want to put it, or ask you where you want to put it. A title down here for your move for file name. If I just put Scotland, a file, it tells me before you click save, then it will also tell you what file format you can save it in. Save it in different file formats. There you can see it saving to my computer. Hope it hurries up because the battery's starting to go on my video. Don't know if it's gonna red battery flashing on my video. If it cuts off now, it cuts off, but that's how you save it to your computer. That's how to use Windows Moviemaker, and I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and share this video on your media web page. Thank you very much. Now my video is saved, I can click off this. Now if I go into my folder, if I can find it, down in the bottom right hand corner here, click the folder up, there's my video.